What's going on YouTube? Dio aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro Apple Watch 4 case. Alright, now you can get this on Amazon.com and it's going to cost you $19.99. Now, don't make the same mistake that I made, and this is the second one that I purchased because for some reason, I guess I wasn't paying attention. The first one I bought was not for the 44mm. I bought one for the 40mm. So I had to send that one back, get a refund, and I bought this one while I was waiting on the refund. But who cares about that? Alright, so this comes in black, blue, gold, red, pink, dark green, melba, and mint green. Now a couple of the features is that it is shock absorbent. It has shock absorption, a raised bezel, a scratch resistant case, adjustable built-in watch band. So let's open this up real quick and check it out. So it's in there. Got the little plastic case, and let's get a look at it. All right. Now you see, this is the hole where your little dial goes. So your button right there. Got a nice hard case, shock absorption. You know what I mean? You got your watch band. Got the UB Pro logo on there. Supcase on there. Take it out of there. Pretty decent band. Got a Supcase on that part as well. And that's about it. So let's install this in here real quick, see how easy that is, and then we'll check it out. And we in there. Alright, so that was definitely quick and easy installation. You see it has the raised bezel right here, so for front face drops you shouldn't have to worry about damaging your screen. We got access to our button right here, our microphone right here, as well as the other button on here. You can still put your hand over it to turn off the screen. Excuse me. Charging option is still right here, so you can put it on a charger and it should still work with no issues. Alright, so before we get up out of here, I'm gonna put this on my wrist, give it the fat man wrist test, and then we're gonna get up out of here. Alright, so first off, I'm about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 deep from the end. So that's not bad. We know we got some room. And it fits like a charm. Looks good, feels good. Everything is still accessible. Still check my messages. You know what I mean? We can still go through all the options, the features. We could do all of that still. Alright. So this is nice, 20 bucks. You know, I'm not a fan of the case that it comes with. I mean the watch band that it comes with. I'm really not a fan of this. Now there's nothing wrong with it. It fits well. I like the size of it, but I just don't like the connection, even though I never had no problem with it, never unsnapped on me or anything like that. But I like this. It's more secure, a better feel, better look to me. This is just like overall better for me. You know what I mean? So this is where we at right here. And for 20 bucks, you can get a little bit of protection, or a nice amount of protection, and a stylish watch case and band for your Apple Watch. Now this is available in other sizes, so I'll put the link in the description. You check it out, and you make sure that you order the right size for the right watch that you have. Like I said, it's available for the other models of the Series 4 and Series 3 as well, and I think the 2-in-1. But it's Dio aka Bonds, urban tech reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, then all you got to do is go into the description, click on every one of them links, and follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.